gawa na ho. Kasi hindi ho kayo pwedeng, hindi gagana yung target ninyo if wala hong governance. So, yan yung problema ng ibang hospitals. Meron kayong claims processing, pero wala naman kayong manual on how to execute it. So, if you analyze this image, okay, thank you po ma'am. Okay. Yung nursing service ho, nakalagay din doon yung kanilang mga policies na dapat gawin. So, yung claims governance, ito yung green. Okay, pati blue. Ito yon. So, kung ang foundation natin, di ba, may target kayo. 200, 500 million, 700. It's even if it's 1 billion, it's the same. Dapat may policies, may standard operating, may mga manual and defined ang role and everything, no? So this alone becomes the foundation. And above it, it's easier now because the training system will be in place, yung audit mo will be in place, someone will monitor, and the standards are clearer to everybody. There's nowhere to go but you're going to increase the revenue. Ganun lang ho kasimple yun. Now, all of this is aligned sa target.